It's just a deep drop right here. We're standing at the edge of this hill. It's all forest. It's quite dense. Hello my dear friends, thank you for tuning into my channel. My name is Vish and you're watching Vish the Weekender. As you know, I'm in Vizag. Today I'm going to go on quite a short trek which is in the Vizag city. I have been planning to visit few places around Vizag, so this is going to be my second place. In my last video, I visited Yarada beach. It was quite a good place. So you can watch that video by clicking the link which is being displayed at the top here. So talking about this trekking place, it is quite near from the place where I'm staying. It's about 15 kilometers and the trail is going to be about 1 kilometer one side. So it's going to be total of 2 kilometers. I'm very excited about trekking this hill because it's all forest. So my brother showed interest to trek this place, so he's going to come along with me in this video. You should see we both trekking this place. Alright, so let's go. Okay, we have just started climbing this hill. Looks to be a dense forest. We can all see just trees and plants all over the place. Definitely these plants are overgrown. Right now we have just started trekking this hill. We have climbed like maybe 20 steps and the route looks pretty amazing. The temperature today is 28 degrees centigrade, but because of these trees we can all feel cool breeze. The trees are protecting us from the sun. As you can see, it's just a canopy of trees on this walkway. The steps are definitely uneven but are still in good shape. I have inquired before with someone at the foothill, just talked to him about the animals, if there are any, but he said there aren't. So that's a good thing. The steps are getting difficult to climb. That's how steep the steps are. There are many turns to climb this hill. Here we just took our first break. This is a well shaded spot. We are glad that there isn't any sun hitting us. You can see this drop, it's quite steep. You wouldn't believe this view. Just check this out. Looks pretty amazing. Alright, so this is our break number 2. This route is painfully steep, just taking our maximum energy out of us. So we're taking as many breaks as we can. Okay, climbed a bit and we can see now sun started beating on us. So this stretch of the route doesn't have much trees, but we can still feel cool breeze. That's quite good enough for us to continue on this route. Okay, we just reached a place here just to stand and have a good view. And it's quite a drop from here. So there is this platform kind of thing here. I don't know what for they have built it, but I can tell you we can pitch a tent here and spend a night. So the route becomes narrow as we trek. Yeah, so we have been taking too many breaks. This is a different kind of a trek. There are too many steps, which are large one, small one. At few places there are no steps, and few steps are uneven. So it's kind of mixed route, I can say. Okay, here's my brother who has been trekking along with me. How is the trek?
Full sweating.
Okay, continuing on a route. So the route has become narrow and steps became smaller than what they were when we started this trek. So it has become easy for us to climb this hill. There's a huge log which got uprooted, maybe because of recent rains. There is some kind of construction right in here. Let's go in and check it out. I don't know what was this made for. So let me give you a quick look around of what we are seeing here. It's a pretty huge tree. And some old construction here. Let me take you to the other side. Yeah, there's nothing this side. So moving away from this spot, definitely some kind of old construction. Okay, back on track. I'm glad that steps are over. Not totally, but the steps have become lesser. This is a beautiful route. So far we have trekked about 600 meters and we are just left with 400 more meters to reach the last point of this trekking. From 600th meter the route has become narrow. That clearly shows that people are not walking on this track. We keep hearing the dry leaves sound every now and then. I'm sure they are just rodents or wind, or could be birds. I'm glad how this route has turned very plain at the end of the trail. Man, I never felt 1 kilometer so long. This is the route we have come from, and this is a much broader route. I think we're going to walk a bit and see where it is going to lead us to. Alright, I see a few dogs. They just got scared looking at us. Must be thinking what on earth these people are doing in the jungle. So we are just going to walk till the point where the route on which we are walking meets with the road, and then we are going to turn back and go back down the hill from the route which we have come. So overall I would say this is a fantastic trek. Though it's just a 1 kilometer trek, we enjoyed it a lot because we had to walk in the dense forest. I hope you guys have liked this video. If you have liked it, like it, share it if you can, and then of course subscribe to my channel so that you can come along with me on these awesome adventures. Alright, so I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Until then, stay safe and you have a great day. Trekking this hill was a great experience. I can definitely say that I've bagged memories so that I can cherish them in my life journey. Though the climbing is very steep, there are comforting viewpoints which makes you feel worth the challenges faced.